All right, welcome. We're going to dive deep today.
Mm-hmm.
We're cracking open a textbook chapter, actually, focusing on something really fundamental, simplifying mathematical expressions.
Yeah, the basics,
Right.
basic operations, and crucially, the order you have to do them in.
Exactly. So the mission for this deep dive.
Well, I think it's to really unpack the core rules from this source. You know, how signs work in adding, subtracting, multiplying,
Right.
how brackets tell you what to do first, and that key sequence for putting it all together.
Turning the confusing stuff into clear answers.
That's the goal, mastering these fundamentals.
Okay, let's get into it. The chapter starts right at the beginning, the four basic operations.
Relational stuff.
Yeah. For addition and subtraction, it lays out these rules for positive and negative numbers. Like same signs, you add them up, keep the sign.
Mm-hmm.
Different signs, you find the difference, and use the sign of the bigger number, the one with the larger absolute value.
Exactly. The source uses examples like -8 plus +5.
Which gives you -3, shows it pretty clearly.
It does. And, you know, that's a spot where little mistakes can happen easily.
Oh, for sure.
And this material offers a neat rule for subtraction.
Oh, yeah.
It says basically change the subtraction into adding the opposite sign.
Okay.
So the example like -12 minus 8,
Right.
it becomes -12 plus -8.
Ah, I see. So you get -20.
Precisely. It just sort of streamlines it under the addition rules. Pretty
Oh.
clever.
Got it. Okay, so that's add and subtract. What about multiplication and division? Signs work a bit differently there, don't they?
They do. Simpler rule, maybe. Same signs always give you a positive result.
Like -5 times -3 is +15.
Exactly. And different signs always give a negative.
So -5 times +3 is -15.
Correct. And the chapter also points out if you're multiplying a whole string of numbers, an even number of negatives makes the final answer positive. An odd number makes it negative.
Handy shortcut.
And division.
While is the exact same sign rules as multiplication. Same signs positive, different signs negative. Okay, so we have the rules for signs with each operation. But math problems often mix them all up, right? That's where structure comes in, like brackets.
Yes,
Yeah.
exactly. Brackets are all about dictating that structure. And the source lists a specific order for tackling them.
There's an order for the brackets themselves.
There is. First, you handle any vinculum that's the bar over numbers.
Okay.
Then parentheses, the small round ones. Then curly brackets, the sort of fancier ones.
Right, the middle ones.
And finally, the square brackets, the big ones, outermost.
Wow, okay. Vinculum, parentheses, curly, square. Got it.
But before you even remove a bracket, the chapter stresses something really important.
What's that?
The sign directly in front of the bracket.
Ah, okay. Why is that so critical?
Well, if it's a plus sign, nothing inside changes sign when you remove the bracket. But if it's a minus sign,
Then what?
then you have to change the sign of every single term that was inside that bracket. It's like distributing the negative.
Oh, wow. Okay, so the example, -17 to 8.
Becomes -17 plus 8. See how the plus 17 became -17 and the -8 became plus 8?
Yes, I see. That's a huge potential pitfall if you miss it.
Definitely.
Yeah.
And example 3 in the source really walks through using this tackling the brackets from the inside out, applying that sign rule.
Okay, so handle the brackets correctly. Innermost first, watch the signs. Then what? You've got this mix of operations left.
Right. And that's where the big principle comes in. BODMAS.
BODMAS. Heard of it. What does the source say it stands for exactly?
Well, B is for brackets, which we just covered.
Right.
O is for O, which usually just means multiplication, but it often gets done before other multiplications or divisions.
Okay. OF, like half of 10.
Exactly. Then D for division and M for multiplication.
Division and multiplication.
And crucially, you do these together, working from left to right as you find them.
Ah, left to right. Not just all division, then all multiplication.
Correct. Same level of priority, tackled left to right. Then finally A for addition and S for subtraction.
Also left to right.
Also left to right. Same priority level, just done after the multiplication and division.
So BODMAS isn't just a suggestion. It's like the law of the land for calculation order.
It absolutely is. This is maybe the single most critical point from this material. You must follow this order.
Not just read it like a sentence.
Definitely not. Division and multiplication before addition and subtraction. Example 4 in the source shows this perfectly calculating of, then doing the division, then multiplication, then the addition and subtraction. Step by step.
Get the order wrong.
Get the answer wrong.
Yeah.
Even if your basic adding and multiplying are perfect.
Okay. So let's bring this back to you, the listener. Why is hammering down these rules and BODMAS so vital?
Well, it's like the grammar of math, isn't it? It ensures everyone gets the same answer from the same expression. It brings order.
Right. Without it, it's just chaos. You could get any number of different answers.
Precisely. It's about having a reliable, consistent method for solving problems. It prevents errors that can build up, especially in more complex work.
Makes total sense. It's about discipline in applying the structure.
It really is. Building that solid foundation.
Yeah.
You can't skip these steps.
So, final thought then, for you to mull over.
Okay.
We've seen how vital this order is for basic arithmetic examples from the textbook. So think about this. If one tiny misstep in bald night guess can mess up a simple calculation, what might be the ripple effect, the impact, of ignoring or misapplying that order when you're dealing with much bigger things?
Like complex algebra or even coding, where calculations build on each other.
Exactly. How much bigger could the error become? Something to consider.